They come right up real close. Like sniffing the bowl, I'm holding it in my arm. They got the bowl like this. And look at how they act. Oh, I know. I know. Here. 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 You want some grapes? Oh, I like the grapes. You want some grapes? There's two of them eating. You can't see the other ones anyways right there. Well, they can pull pretty hard now. There's a competition to see which one's going to get the last grape, I guess. Well, it didn't take them long to clean them up. You want that?